Well, of course, unlike other political parties like BJP or the HSPDP, there was no written or verbal agreement that there would be this power sharing on a 2.5 years basis. And that this is not my statement. It was also on record, a statement made by the party president himself about a month ago. But in politics, things change. A week is a long time in politics, as the saying goes. So we are where we are now. This was a decision taken by the parliamentary party of the UDP.
So, do you feel betrayed by your president?
I will not be able to comment on certain things because all I believe is that the party gave me a platform. I have tried my level best to be an asset to Meghalaya, to transform tourism into a vibrant sector. We have been able to cater to the needs of our Anganwadi workers. All of them now have cell phones at their disposal.